How to add overlay in CapCut. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to add overlay in CapCut. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the CapCut application on your device. If you do not have the CapCut application, then you can easily download the application from your app store. Once downloaded, launch the application and now go ahead and tap on the new project option and import a video or photo that you want to make changes in. Once imported, drag the file to the timeline below and then further tap on the import button again and import the file you want to add as overlay. Once added, drag the file again to the timeline. This time, place the file above the timeline. With this, the overlay has been added. Now, on the right side of your screen, you will see the option for position and size. Tap on that and then firstly, adjust the size of the overlay by sliding the scale slider. Once you get your desired size, tap on the cutout option and then tap on the chroma key checkbox. Now tap on the color picker option and select the color from the picture. And now increase the strength a little and shadow to its max. With this, the overlay has been added. You can further tap on the export button and the video will be saved. So this is how you can add overlay in CapCut. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.